Hello friends, so in this video tutorial we will learn about match and VLOOKUP function, how we can combine these two functions and use them together. So we have a sheet here. In sheet we have given names and the month, and in month the sale figure is given. Suppose like we have to find out the sales of Ravi on a particular month, like on May, so we can get the result here. So for that there is a simple formula which we have already discussed earlier, which is VLOOKUP. So like we first of all understand how VLOOKUP works. So like we will take equal to here. So before taking equal to, we will put a name here, RAVI, Ravi here, and then we have to find out the data of Ravi in the month of April. So what we will do, we will put equal to, then we will put lookup, bracket open, and we have to search the Ravi. So we click on Ravi because we have to search Ravi in a particular sheet, and then we will put comma, and then we will select this complete sheet, and then we will again put comma and just type where Ravi is written. So Ravi is in the first, second, third, fourth, fifth column, fifth row. So the Ravi is in the fifth row, which is April. So we have to find out the sales of Ravi in the month of April. So if we will count it from, because VLOOKUP always work from left to right side, so it is working from name first, January, second, third, fourth, fifth. So this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is 5. So we will write down 5 here, comma, and for exact match we will put 0 here, and then press enter. So what we will find, we find the sales of Ravi. In place of Ravi, like if we will type Ramesh, we can find the sales of Ramesh also. So this is the way like VLOOKUP will work. But suppose like in this place we will take a list here, like in this place, like if I will put May, so it will show this, it will show the same sales, it will show the sales of May. But we want, like whenever we change the month, the data will be changed. For that we can use the month function, match function. Like what match function do, first of all we will understand that the match will found the number, because here we have given number 5. Similarly, match will found the number from a particular area which is selected. Like select, like if you will took equal to here and put match here, and then open column, it will ask for lookup value. So what we want to look, we want to look for May. So we'll click here, then we will put comma, and then we will select the sheet, and then we will put comma, and for exact match we will put 0, and then close the bracket and just plus enter. So it will say like May is in the 6th position, first, second, third, fourth, 5, 6. So suppose like now we can use this here, and according to that we can find out the sales of May also, of Ravi, Ramesh, or whoever. So what we will do, we will delete this, and we will put a data, go to data validation, and from list we will make a particular list, like we make this list from here and press OK. So now we have list here. So according to list it will give some data. I will just increase its size so you can see here. Similarly, I will put a list here also. I delete this, go to data validation, and from list I will take list from the above. I will take this complete list till the end, and just press OK. And now except name, if I will select January, it will show the same. In February it will show the same, but it's changing, it's 4th. So what we can do, we can change here also. So how we can make a change, we just go here in the place of 5, we just click over this, and here we will type match. After typing match, what we need to find, we need to find this month, and where we have to find it from the beginning till the end. After doing this till the end, from November to I press that till December, and after that what I need to do, I press comma 0 for exact match, close the bracket, and the match function is complete. So inside VLOOKUP we are using the match function, then we will press enter. So now we are getting the month of March sales. So March sales for Ramesh is 42,40,000. Similarly, if you will change this month now, I will take it July, so it is also taking the sales of July also, like Ramesh is 79. So and if I will change the name from here, that is changing from here. So this way we can use match function and use it in multiple criteria to find out our information which we want to drag out, which we want to sort out from the list. So thanks very much for watching this video. If you like it, subscribe us on YouTube or like on Facebook and follow us. Thank you.